First time I was diagnosed, I actually was hesitant about the first trip into the cancer center as a cancer patient. I did it by myself. I was worried about it because I had never walked into the cancer center as a cancer patient. I'd walked in as a cancer family member, and it was odd to walk in. I felt very conspicuous coming in as a patient, but just as quickly I felt enveloped by the staff. It turns out that I have a lot in common with the staff members, which is the way everybody who comes in is going to feel, because there's a wonderful cross-section of people working there. They knew me. They have taken great pains to do this. I see with every patient. It's not, hello, what's your name, what's your date of birth. They actually remember my name. There was one lady who remembers my date of birth, and I see her doing this with people all the time. They have a woman named Becky Smith who answers the phone, and Becky makes sure that you get attention right away. You don't get stuck on a telephone tree and get forwarded and have to punch 4 to get to whoever you want to talk to. You instantly get to a real human being who listens and says, let me get in touch with your doctor, your nurse, and I'll get back right back with you, and she does. So it's a very personal environment, and they notice what you look like. They can tell if your color's good. It's not like you're just another person coming in, that they're a little, they have to have some kind of chart or whatever to jog their memory. The other thing I really like is it is a bright atmosphere, not necessarily lighted-wise, but people-wise. You come in and there are people in the resource center. They're getting coffee, they're getting a donut, they're knitting. It's a lively, full of life area, and I'm not trying to erase the fact that there are people who are going through really sad times there too. You see them, you recognize it, and you have sympathy with them. But I guess you find what you need there. If you need sympathy, a shoulder, you've got it. And I certainly come out of there in tears, and had people who walked me out. Then I've also come out there in very happy days and bright days, and they're there to meet you at your need, which I think is remarkable, because they recognize your need.